Video, I'm gonna teach you how to change character in Kirby's Return to Dreamland Deluxe. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though I'm going to be talking about the deluxe edition of this game, which is primarily available for the Nintendo Switch, in general this will also apply for the other versions of this game, so on other consoles like the Nintendo Wii. In Kirby's Return to Dreamland, you can change characters primarily in multiplayer mode, so keep that in mind. The main function related to switching characters is going to be available when you are doing multiplayer, so you have another controller connected and you are playing together with someone. When you are alone, there will be no obvious option to change characters. Sometimes, different characters like King DDD might join you as assistants. But for actual gameplay where you are able to control the additional character, ensure that all players have their controllers connected to the Nintendo Switch. To change characters while in multiplayer, have the secondary player join by pressing left plus right on their controller while in the world map, and after they press left plus right, they will load into this slot. And as you can see, they will have arrows to the left and right of them to switch between the characters. So press the bumper buttons left and right, or ZL and Z right depending on the controller, and you will be able to choose the characters. So you will have a different colored Kirby, you will have King DDD, Meta Knight, and the Bandana Waddle Dee. Once you have selected the character, you can go ahead and start any level. If a player wants to change their character during gameplay without restarting the level, all that they have to do is hold the Y button, and while holding I, press the L and right buttons. This should bring up the character select screen again, allowing the player to choose a different character. So in short, while in multiplayer mode, you will be able to connect with the secondary controller by pressing left plus right, and after this you can browse between the characters by using left and right bumpers. I hope I was able to help you on how to play and change character in Kirby Return to Dreamland. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.